Welcome to our training on Zero Code Analytics. This initiative is led by the AFRO's Agri-Food Working Group, the African Federation of Operations Research. The Agri-Food Working Group promotes research, promotes research and agri-food supply chains in Africa for improved data-driven decision-making and enhanced food security. The goal is to support academics and professionals of logistics and supply chain fields. I'm Ali, a researcher of operations research. This session will cover prescriptive analytics. What should be done? We will follow the same breakdown we use for predictive analytics in dividing the methods by decision variable type. In this session, we will introduce simplex method for finding optimal values for quantitative variables, and so and Topsis methods for choosing between different qualitative variables. Simplex method is a classical way of finding the optimal prescription for minimization or maximization decisions, classically minimizing operational costs and maximizing profits or revenue. Since operations can be summarized in dollar values, the model typically takes the format of an objective function to max or min dollar values followed by a set of constraints. The model is then entered into a tool like Excel Solver. It can take this format. Following videos will explain this problem into details. For selecting between alternatives, we selected two of the simplest methods. SAW, simple additive weight, chooses based on weighted sum of the best criteria, where Topsis, technique for urgent preference by similarity to ideal solution, selects based on discrepancy to the ideal. The required parameters to prescribe a solution to the selection between alternatives are the alternatives with no known dominance and the selection criteria. In the case where there is a known dominance, the solution is known, so it does not need a solution. The steps to solve the methods is by creating a decision matrix showing the alternatives as rows and their criteria as columns, such as in this table, where A is the alternatives and X's are the criteria. Then we would normalize it to unify and simplify the comparison, and then we calculate a weighted normalized variable to reach a conclusion, as we will see in the case studies in the following lessons. Thank you for choosing to learn with us. Stay tuned for more on zero-code supply chain analytics.